Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. After visiting Golden Temple, we visited Jallianwala Bagh, which is at a 5 minutes walking distance from Golden Temple. As I stood in the heart of Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, the cool breeze brushed my against my face, and I couldn't help but think of the heavy history what this beautiful garden holds. What appears to be a peaceful park today is a place where countless lives were tragically lost, leaving an incredible mark on India's path to independence. Jallianwala Bagh is located in the bustling city of Amritsar in the state of Punjab. Amritsar itself is famous for its spiritual significance, especially the Golden Temple, but Jallianwala Bagh offers a somber yet equally essential experience. As I walked into Jallianwala Bagh, I was immediately struck by the peacefulness of the space, the lush green lawns, and the trees swaying in the breeze. And the visitors strolling about made it difficult to imagine the horrific tragedy that took place here in 1919. However, as I explored further, I couldn't escape the deep, haunting energy that lingers. Inside Jallianwala Bagh, you can see multiple galleries in which the historical details are present, which includes the story of 1919 attack, the pictures and the paintings of political leaders, and the depiction of the scenes inside the Bagh with the casualty. And you will get to know a lot of history about our India. The memorial at the site marks the place where over 1,000 people lost their lives in the brutal attack. On April 13, 1919, General Dyer ordered his troops to open fire on an unarmed crowd gathered to protest against the British colonial rule. The narrow walled layout of the garden left many with no escapes, and hundreds were killed or injured. Inside Jallianwala Bagh, you can also see a deep well that stands as a silent witness to the agony of those people who jumped into that well to escape from the bullets. So, currently, it is covered by glass from all the sides. There are plaques that explains the historical context and the tragic events, and the bullet marks on the wall still standing, making the experience surreal and emotional. The bullet marks are still there on that wall, that the wall from where the General Dyer attacked on the public inside the Jallianwala Bagh. After that, I spent some time reading the information plaques and reflecting on the magnitude of the tragedy. It's impossible to leave without feeling a deep sense of sorrow and respect for those who perished here. This one is the another wall where the bullet marks are present. The another wall from where the attack was, the bullets were fired. And the most important part of Jallianwala Bagh is the memorial that stands at the site. The walls and the garden bear the scars of the bullets that were fired that day. There is also a light show in the evening that happens every day. At first glance, you may wonder why this place, so tragic in its history, should be visited. But it's not just about the past, it's about honoring those who fought for freedom and understanding the profound sacrifices that shaped the modern India. Visiting Jallianwala Bagh offers an opportunity to learn about the painful history that played a vital role in India's struggle for independence. My visit to Jallianwala Bagh was an emotional and educational journey, one that reminded me of the power of resilience and the importance of history and the need to preserve the legacy for those who paved their way for India we know today. If you ever find yourself in Amritsar, do take time to visit Jallianwala Bagh. It's a place that will leave you with much to think about and much to respect. It's a silent, humble tribute to the lives lost and lasting impact of their sacrifices. So that is it for this video. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.